Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix camera which is not working or opening in your computer. So let's get started. The very first basic step is at the search button, please type settings and then click on open to continue. So once you're being redirected here at the settings, go for the search icon here at the left side of your screen and then type camera. Okay. and go and go for this first result, which is camera privacy settings. You simply click on that, and here aligning the camera access, make sure that it is enabled or on, and might as well the camera here. So just turn this on and then turn this camera on. Okay. So once done, just have to close this window and check your camera by searching camera at the bottom search bar and click on open and see if it's working. But let's say if it doesn't, then let's proceed to the second step, which is at the start icon, you need to do a right click and scroll up, then go for device manager. Okay. Here we need to update the driver of the camera and how we can do that. Once you're here at the device manager, just expand it and go for cameras. So I can see here cameras next to Bluetooth. Now here's the catch. You need to click this forward arrow to see more and you will be able to see the cameras or the HD user facing or any type of camera drivers that is present in your computer. So in my case, I have one. So I am going to select this. And then once you select the camera or the driver, do a right click and go for properties. Okay, here you need to go for driver and then scroll down, then go for uninstall device. Okay, so the moment you click on uninstall device, make sure that the box is unchecked here. I mean, in my case, I don't have that option, but in your case, you have that. Just simply uncheck that and then click on uninstall to proceed. Because if you leave that check, your HD user facing or your camera will be uninstalled or permanently removed in your computer. Okay, so once done, check if your camera is working again. And let's say if it doesn't, then go back to this device manager window. And this time you need to go for action next to file. Just simply click on it and scroll down, then go for scan for hardware changes. Just simply click on it. Okay. So once done, you are actually scanning your hardware changes. Okay. So once done, just simply visit your camera again and see if it's working. And let's say if it doesn't, then we need to update the driver. Now, how we can do that? Just simply click this driver again, do a right click and go for update driver, and this new window will appear. It has these two options, automatically and manually search for drivers. Now we need to go for the first one. And if your computer says that the best driver for your device are already installed, then proceed to search for updated drivers and Windows Update. So it will take some time, maybe 5 to 7 minutes or less than that. It depends on your computer. Okay, so once done, just have to restart your computer and check if your camera is working again. And let's say if it doesn't, then go back to this window and visit the update driver. And this time, you need to go for manually search for drivers. Okay, then go for the second option. Let me pick from a list of available drivers in my computer. Click on that. Okay. So here you will able to see all the drivers present in your computer. Okay. So in my case, I have one, but in your case, you have 2 to 3 options. Now here's the thing. Since we're rolling back the driver here, you need to check one by one and click on next and check if what driver works for you best. Okay. So just simply click one by one, and then once done with the first, go to the second and the third and restart your computer and check if your camera is now fixed. But let's say if it doesn't, then let's bound to the last and important step, which is to copy this name. In my case, it is in HD user facing, and you need to visit the manufacturer website at your Google Chrome or any of your favorite browser and visit. Make sure you only visit the manufacturer website, and here you just have to input the name in your driver and search for it and then download and install it in your device. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully those steps have fixed your problem. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.